Yeah, so we hit 15. You already know. But like it's like I'm happy and sad, you know, shit gets tough out here. Yo, in LA. Like when you hit these subs, it's kinda like these subs are racking up and it's like damn, like I'm happy for all you, but for real. That's an emotional video, but I gotta stick my word. Anyway, yeah. Shit gets tough. Approaching 20 subs is a new milestone. Yeah, it gets tough, so I'm gonna go just down this cat over here. Maybe dog food, actually. Oh, my fat ass cat walked over here. So did my dog? I don't know. So, here you go, I'm just shaking right now. Chills, guys, literal chills. Alright, so, these are I got 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna eat this cat food, and then I'm gonna have a cat treat. Alright. Oh, that's a weird aftertaste. Fuck, that's a weird ass aftertaste, bro. Pretty good. I never had cat food before, so that was fun. Thank you guys for 15 subs. I appreciate it, y'all. I'll make it shot. Thank you guys so much for 15 subs. I honestly appreciate it. I love you guys. Oh shit, the lid open. My bad. That was supposed to be a joke. One of the cat food got stuck in my throat.